Alright, this one's a little crazy. Bear with me here. We know that QA plus QB equals 25 that's an N, nanocoulombs, but we don't know how they're distributed. So we can kind of find the total with Coulomb's law if we rearrange this bad boy. F equals K Q1 Q2, or A and B, I probably should be doing, over R squared. This would turn into QA, and I know I said B1 and 2 before, and just relax. That will equal, once I rearrange everything, FR squared over K. So I can find what the total is, I just don't know how they're divvied up yet. So let's do that and see if that can work out for us. They give us a charge of something up here. So 5.4 times 10 to the negative 4 newtons. This is fun. The radius between them is 5 centimeters, which we don't roll in centimeters. So that would be, let's move it over. Centi is 100. Move it 2. So 0.05 meters. Remember, you gotta square that. Nice square. And our K is still 9 times 10 to the 9th Newton meters squared over Coulomb squared. Throw that in your handy dandy calculator and you get 1.5 times 10 to the negative 16th coulombs. And that's what QA QB equals. It's actually coulombs squared.
Morning.
Hey, man. All right, so we have that. Let's continue on here. We know that, QA plus QB equals 25 nanocoulombs. Let's just turn that into coulombs right away. 25 times 10 to the negative 9th coulombs. And if I rearrange that equation, I'm going to be able to throw that into this. QA is really 25 times 10 to the negative 9 coulombs. It's QA multiplied, sorry, I don't remember what I said. Minus QA. I'm substituting what B would be, and I'm substituting that in what B would be, because I said with this equation, B equals something. Everywhere I saw a B, I rearranged it to solve for that. And I know that that equals what we solved for earlier, 1.5 times 10 to the negative 16th coulombs squared. This is going to turn into a quadratic equation. It's going to be, what is it going to be? 25 times 10 to the negative 9 coulomb QA negative QA squared. I'm doing this now. And then I'm going to bring that over to the other side and make it negative. 1.5 times 10 to the negative 16. Students are rolling in the morning, so if you hear noise, it's kids making noise while I'm making a video. Remember, that's just the unit is squared. Don't worry about that. Equals 0. Throw that into a quadratic solver, and you're going to get one of them being 10 and one of them being 15. And I already converted that to nanocoulombs. We don't know which one is which, but they do add up to 25. And I know I skipped a lot of steps. You just kind of got to trust me on the quadratic when I rearrange that and throw it into a quadratic solver. But good times. Bye-bye.